In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code into your Weebly site. If you're looking to enhance your website's functionality or design with custom elements, embedding code can be a straightforward and effective way to do just that. So, let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to get this done using Weebly's intuitive editor. First, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account and have your site open in the Weebly site editor. You will notice a top bar across your screen, and this is where all the magic begins. Click on the option labeled Build. This is essential, as it reveals a list of elements on the left panel of your screen. These elements are tools that you can drag and drop directly onto your site, allowing for a flexible customization process. Now, what we're interested in today is the element labeled Embed Code. Once you've located it, simply click and drag it over to the area of your website where you wish to place this new piece of code. This step is as easy as it sounds, giving you control over precisely where you want your custom content to appear. Once you've positioned the embed code element on your site, the next step is to click on it. This action leads you into configuring the element, preparing it to accept your custom HTML. It's at this point that you can decide if you need to reposition it slightly. When you're content with its placement, go ahead and click on Edit Custom HTML. This command opens up an editor where you're able to enter the specific piece of code you want to embed, whether it's an interactive feature, a styling tweak, or some form of widget. You can either type your code directly or paste it if you're copying it from another source. Once your code is securely in place, all you need to do is click away from the element. This action saves your changes automatically and exits the editing mode. It's really as simple as that, and you should already see how your custom code functions or displays within the context of your site. With these steps completed, you've successfully embedded code into your Weebly site. This process opens the door to a myriad of possibilities for customizing and optimizing your site's performance and appearance. Remember, embedding code is a powerful tool, so always ensure that the code you're using is from a trusted source to maintain the integrity and security of your site. Thanks for watching, and we hope these instructions help you enrich your Weebly site with custom features.